indicated a tornado near MacDill Air Force Base. We're 9 miles south of Tampa, moving east at 15 miles per hour. The tornado will be near MacDill Air Force Base. If you are in the path of the tornado, go to a small interior room in a strong and low-constructed building. Present mobile homes are not safe. If no shelter is available, lie flat in a ditch or culvert and cover your head with your hands. To report severe weather to the National Weather Service, please call 813-645-2300.